grow a lot of lettuce in our gardens. It does really well from November until about March. And we grow basically Bibb lettuce, which kind of just grows and you can harvest the leaves on the outside. Sometimes we'll grow iceberg or head lettuce, but we like growing the Bibb lettuces because we can continually harvest them. So if you're out, we just planted these last week. So these are not obviously ready to harvest, but in about 3 weeks, they'll be about a foot tall, and there'll be a lot of the lettuce leaves on the outside that are ready to harvest. And what we do is we just harvest on the outside at the bottom, and it continues to grow and produce more lettuce. And we can generally get about a month or two of lettuce harvested. And once it gets to a point where it starts to produce flowers and seeds, we call that bolting. We'll pull those out and we'll plant fresh lettuce. But we'll be growing lettuce from October until about March in the gardens.